Hello viewers, welcome back with another video. In this video, I will show you how to run dual operating system in one PC at the same time. So, let's get started. At the beginning, open your browser and search for Oracle VM. From search result, go to their official website of oracle.com. Now download the Oracle Virtual Machine program. I have already downloaded, so I don't need to download it again. After completing the download, install the program on your system. You can install the program any drive that will not make any trouble. After completing the installation, open the program. Now go to File and click Preference and select the drive for default machine installation folder. I will prefer you not to select C drive. Please select the drive which has more space from entire drives. After select the drive, click on New, then give a name and select the Windows version from type. You can install Windows 7 to 11 any version if your PC has a better configuration. Now, set the memory size. Memory means RAM size. Set the RAM size minimum 2 GB or as per your computer ability. Say for example, I have 16 GB RAM and I am setting the RAM size 6 GB for smooth operation of dual operating system. Now set the drive size. Recommended size is 50 GB. After set the drive, click to start. Now browse and select the Windows file which you want to install. You cannot install this Windows from disk, so you need a ISO file. Now follow the same process as you install the Windows. It is done. Thanks watching. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe.